Hi guys, this is Shekar. Now I am going to explain about the creation of a sample table in Oracle database by using SQL developer tool, and I am going to use the language is SQL language. So for this purpose I just have created a sample table in MS Word. Just see this table. This table is having 4 columns and 4 rows. Here EMP number is employee number, E-name is employee name, and the salary of the employee, and the D name means the department name of the employee. So we need to create this sample table on Oracle database by using SQL language. So for this purpose we need to use a tool called SQL developer tool. See on the bottom there is a tool called SQL developer. So this is the SQL developer. To create the sample table in a Oracle database, we need to use this tool. So we need to use this tool to create the table. In order to create the table, first of all we need to create the structure of a table. So for that structure we have the syntax is create table and table name of column name 1 of data type having its size, then column name 2 of data type of size, like this, so on, up to column name n of size. Guys, this is the syntax for the table structure. So as like this we need to create the table of our basic sample structure. So create table employee, table name is employee of EMP number. This is in the form of number, no? Data type is, so its data type is number of size 10. We need to give up to 10 digits. Whatever do you want to enter the digits, that limit is 10. Then EMP employee name, it is in the form of characters now, so its data type is char, and size of char is 10. So we need to mention the characters up to 10 letters only. Then third column is salary. Generally salary is in the form of numbers only, so that is why this data type is also be a number of size 10. And D name is having the characters, right? D name is also nothing but a name that is also having the characters. That's why we need to use the char data type for this D name of size 10. And this is the structure of a sample table, and we need to select this entire line and run it on the SQL developer by clicking on the green button. So now table employee is created. Just see the bottom, the output is came, table employee is created. So we need to enter our basic table values into that employee table. For that we need to insert the values into employee, values of 111, comma. For name purpose we need to mention apostrophe single quote, apostrophe s single quotes. first name is Smith, right? Smith of his salary is 5,000, and accounting is its department number. That is also name. Now we need to mention it in between the single quotes. Accounts. We need to select the entire row and run it on the database. So one row is created. Just see the bottom. There is a one row is created. The output is come like this. One row is created like this. We need to create still more 3 rows. So I am just editing the first row, copy paste and editing. I just copied and pasted and editing the names and the salary and the department name. The second name, I think second name King, R250 research. King. Research that. So after this we need to select this row also and run it on the database. Again now we see another row is created in the bottom. The output has come like that. Then copy and paste. We need to create another row. We need to insert another row like triple. Miller 3500 sales. Sales department. Miller is working for the sales department, right? We need to edit research with sales. Then we should select this row and click on the green button, and again one row has been created. So like this, we have another row now. We need to create that row also. So I just copy above row and paste it on the below, and again I am going to edit this employee details. Triple 4. His name is Clark. His salary is 7,000 and he worked for the production department. Production department. We need to mention the semicolon and select this entire and run it on the database. Here we see 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we see in the bottom page 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are inserted. So how they have been inserted, we need to see the query select star from select star means all columns and all rows. Star from EMP employee and run it on the page. Green button. see the result. We just we just created this sample table on the Oracle database. We need to save this table on the database permanently by using commit command. Red string command. So this is the basic table creation and database, guys. Just we can see if you want to see your table in database, just run a query like select from employee. Our table name is employee, no? That's why I am giving employee and the semicolon and selecting and clicking on the green button and run it on the database, and we have the table output is like that. This is the basic table creation on the database, guys. Thank you very much. Bye all.